Hey, it's Nancy Yearout, and I want to come on today and talk about angels. I am an angel communicator, but you can be an angel communicator too. Although much has been written about angels throughout time, we don't seem to acknowledge their presence. They're mentioned nearly 300 times in the Bible. Archangel Michael, Uriel, Gabriel, and Raphael are mentioned by name. There are many documented accounts of angels throughout history. There are numerous paintings depicting angelic beings. And I want you to know that your guardian angel is with you when you were born, and your guardian angel is here right now with you on the planet. And your guardian angel is with you when you die and your soul goes to heaven. So, the reason I'm coming on today and talking about this is because this is the time we need to connect to God and we need to connect to our angels. And angels are God's helpers. Okay. So, I channel Archangel Gabriel. I am able to bring messages forth for humanity. I also connect with my guardian angels, and I'm able to ask them questions, and you are too. So if you want to connect with your angels, I want you to know it's possible. All you have to do is ask. The big thing about the angelic realm is they know that we have free will, so they can't intervene unless we ask. So I want you guys to really spend some time and just ask, hey, what's my guardian angel's name? Start asking questions and start connecting. If there was a time that we need to connect, it's now. Okay. And if you need some help and you want to get with me, you're welcome to visit my website, nancyyearout.com. I can help you connect with your angels, but you can really do it yourself. And I just want to bring this to people's attention because I work with the angels every day and I help people and ask questions and they guide me and they will guide you. And these are angels who are holy and divine. These are not the bad angels, these are good angels. And so I just think it's so important right now that we all realize that we do come in to this earth, to this planet with our angel. And my angel's standing right next to me. You can't see her, but I know she's there. All right, you guys, have a fabulous day. Connect with your angels. Give you something to think about, huh? All right.